Now, for all of us who are loving the world of travel, we all know that when you're going to go to a new place, the best way to discover and experience the adventure of travel is with a very good tour guide. So, the World Tourism Forum Institute recognized that immediately in saying that if we're going to venture into the new world of blockchain, we need a very good partner. We need a tour guide who's going to help us understand the landscape ahead of us to make the most out of our experience in it. We're delighted to have with us our partner, Ariva, who you've heard about this morning, for which we are very grateful to have along with us. And so, to talk us through the success story from Ariva, it's Ana-Claudia Tapardel, the Chief Communication Officer of Ariva itself. Please, the stage is yours.
Good morning, everybody. So happy to be today with you. It's a wonderful, wonderful day in Dubai, but it will be more wonderful because today we'll discover an amazing project that will make the tourism world even more greater than it is in the present. So allow me to tell to you the success story of Ariva. So, you already know that my name is Ana-Claudia Tapardel, and I'm the Chief Communication Officer of Ariva Digital. But allow me to present myself and also to present my background. I am a former member of the European Parliament, and you all know the European Parliament is the most important European institution, and I am very proud that I was a part of this important institution, and also I want to salute two friends of mine from the European Parliament, two MEPs, Ramon and Ismail, that are together with us today, and that will support also the tourism industry all over the world and these kind of new projects that will make the direction for the tourism in the future. Also, I was chairing a very important intergroup in the European Parliament, the Tourist Development Intergroup. It was really a big committee gathering more than 150 MEPs from all the member states, and this group was making really a good job in supporting the European tourist development and supporting the cultural heritage of the European Union. And also, because here we have with us one of the representatives of one of the most important destinations of the world, France, I want also to salute His Excellency, Mr. François Hollande. Bienvenue, Monsieur. It's a great pleasure to have you here with us. And also, I want to salute my dear Taleb Rifai, because we've done such a great job together. He, as a former Secretary General of WTO, and me as chairing this intergroup. Also, I have another passion, which is journalism. I am doing a great job as a journalist, but also being a global public speaker. But now let's speak about the present, and most important, let's speak about the future. And for me, the future represents this, to be the Chief Communication Officer and to represent the public image of Ariva. Why I wanted and decided to represent the public image of Ariva Digital, because this is really an amazing project, a project that perfectly integrates the tourism and travel industry with the blockchain world of cryptocurrency. And because we are speaking about tourism industry, ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. Where are we going? Maybe this is the question. I will tell you. We have an amazing destination. This is Ariva World. So I will welcome you to the new and near future of tourism industry, empowered by the cryptocurrencies world. Of course, you are asking, what is exactly Ariva World and Ariva Digital? And I can tell you that this is a big, really a big project for tourism industry, and you just have to join us. Because for us, only the sky is the limit. So let's be more specific right now. What is Ariva Digital? Ariva Digital, it's a cryptocurrency that can be used just like that to buy and pay tourism and travel services all over the world. What is Ariva World? It's a platform, a portal where consumers, travelers, can meet with all the tourism and travel service providers, like airline companies, hotels, restaurants, touristic objectives, and any other entertainment services and objectives. So what can be more easy for the consumer, the traveler, but also for the businesses in this sector? So can we find something more easy than to bring together in this world the consumer and all the businesses? But for more understanding, I want to share with you a video.
Hello, New World. Welcome the cashless king of the global tourism industry, Ariva. Supported by Ariva, Ariva is a cryptocurrency produced to make transactions hassle-free in global and local tourism networks in the near future. The aim is not only to produce a cryptocurrency traded on exchanges, but to ensure that ARV is actively used in the tourism industry. Huge international transactions cost money and a lot of your valuable time to process, sometimes weeks. Ariva turns international transactions into a real-time process. Understanding currencies and exchange rates in a foreign country can be a complex task. But with Ariva, you get a universal cryptocurrency with the same value across the globe. Ariva is extensively working on producing its own crypto coin. But why is Ariva focusing on the tourism and travel industry? Travel and tourism sectors contribute to 10.4% of global GDP, which accounts for 319 million jobs, making it a tenth of all jobs on the planet. Ariva will change the future of the travel industry by integrating it with the crypto world. You don't need to share your card details or carry cash. Ariva will do it for you. Online sellers and buyers are paying a lot for the traditional bank system commissions and hidden fees. Cryptocurrencies are now a part of our life. It's global, secure very fast, and transparent with low transaction fees. Ariva is a solution. It's the easiest way to set up a payment gateway on websites and mobile apps in minutes. The goal is set, creating a global B2B, B2C tourism portal where Ariva coins are used. With Ariva, you can make transactions easily and securely exchange your desired coins and tokens to ARV. A travel and tourism network where members can meet with global and local tourism service providers in the light of previous travelers' experiences and shares, make bookings with cryptocurrency, and earn crypto money from both their reservations and valuable content sharing. The next stage goal is to allow ARV holders to actually use their cryptocurrencies during their vacation in the final destination. Who will benefit from this? Basically, everyone. Yes, you can book your holiday with ARV or share your travel reviews or contribute to earn ARV tokens. It's a win-win for all. Ariva has promising future plans within the crypto world. So if you're a huge crypto enthusiast, Ariva has a lot to offer. Stay tuned.
So, I will try to explain you in more simple way what you've seen previous. Let's speak about the tourism industry in figures. It's huge. It represents at this moment $8.8 trillion revenue. Also, it represents 10.4% of the global GDP, and also, very important, 319 million jobs. So almost 10% of all the jobs in this planet. According to the World Trade Organization, tourism and travel is one of the largest commercial services over the world. Of course, this was one of the main topics in the pandemic period, what we are doing with the tourism industry. But I can assure you, being an expert in this industry, working for this industry in the last 10 years, as a politician, as a legislator, but also in the private sector, that after this COVID period, the tourism industry will bloom even more because it's a huge desire, a huge will of all the citizens of this world to travel and to live new experiences. Yes, I have here a chart that shows us how important is the tourism industry. It's one of the 10 global biggest industries in the world by revenue. You see, it has at this moment an 8% value. I will put you a simple question. We are all travelers, being for pleasure, for business, for work. What is necessary for a consumer, a traveler, to do in order to have a good travel experience? A lot of things, it seems. We have to booking travel tickets, we have to make hotel reservation, we have to think that maybe we don't need only the plane, we need also other type of private transport. Car rentals, boat tours, guide services, local shopping, of course, we need also to buy things, and many other things. What means this for every person that is traveling? It means losing effort, making a lot of effort, and sometimes losing a lot of time. Sometimes when you are really planning a good travel experience, you have also a part of stress. Really stressing you to manage to bring everything together. I can put you a question. How many of you have this kind of platforms to complete this process in the telephone? I think you have a portal, an application for each company of flight, an application for booking your hotel, another application for finding a good company for renting a car. Also going to the public service of the city to find and to reserve your entertainment services. So for each of these, you have an application in your telephone. So I want to ask you, how many apps for making this kind of effort do you have in your smartphone? I think maybe 1,000. But right now, using Ariva World, we can set you free of all of this, because we have exactly right now the Ariva digital solution. So, being you a customer, traveler, or tourist service provider, just come and be a part of the Ariva World. What is Ariva World, most specifically? It's a new generation travel portal where, of course, we join and we want everybody to join us, and we invite everybody to join us. But not only the giant companies have here a place. Also the small regular companies can find their place on this portal. Also, what is important for our travel experience? To be sure that we are making the right election. We are choosing the good services. So for this, we will have only biased consumer reviews. Also, it's very important that sometimes you have to pay for your travel experience different currencies, specific to the country and specific to your destination. But using this Ariva World, you will not have to pay different currencies. Everything will be paid using just one mean of paying, the Ariva cryptocurrency. What means this? No chaotic SWIFT transfers and no credit card commissions. So, accommodation facilities, yacht, transport, vehicle, travel services, and ticket booking companies around the world can publish their own products on this portal. So it's a place for every provider of travel and tourism services. There is a place on this platform. What can do travelers with this platform? Travelers can first review and rate their experience, ask questions, so be informed, make reservations, all the types of reservation that they need, in the fastest, easiest, and safest way possible. Of course, make all payments in a single new way using Ariva cryptocurrency. And as a bonus, you can also earn membership rewards of each of your events. For example, like you can obtain a discount for a future booking. So, this is Ariva World, the next generation of a decentralized travel and tourism portal. Like a very serious company, because I can assure you that Ariva is a very serious, important, and credible project, we have a very strong mission. And this is the one to create a worldwide cryptocurrency based to business to consumer, tourism and travel platform. And we want to be sure that we are enabling travelers to make booking safely and easily, just using this kind of cryptocurrency for all the payments, the Ariva cryptocurrency. So, what contains Ariva World platform? Contains a part for the facility and service listing. So, it's a travel portal open to everyone with business to consumer facility and service. And they are putting here all the businesses for travel and tourism, all the products, all the services for travel and tourism industry can be put here on the platform, and the travelers can make booking using the cryptocurrency. We have, of course, a travel review blog, a business dashboard. Of course, for all the business world, it's important to understand the management of your business. And we are offering this for all the businesses in the travel and tourism industry. So the product and service management panel for travel service providers like hotels, restaurants, and so on. Also, of course, we have an online shop where traveler can buy online all the services just using this cryptocurrency. And of course, we have also an exchange center. So you can change in a securely way all your coins and tokens with Ariva. So, facilities and service listings for all the service providers in the travel and tourism industry. A travel review blog for the travelers to be well informed and to make the best decisions regarding their travel experience. A business dashboard to know how it's evolving your business, an online shop to connect these two, and of course, the exchange center for Ariva. So, what can do for us the Ariva World ecosystem? The most important will facilitate global and local tourism and travel networks. And I think this is the most important thing, to have this good connection and networking between the travel and service, travel and tourism services. So, we have a travel portal that is open to everyone, really to everyone with business to consumer facility and service details. And here you can make, as a traveler, your booking. We are promoting a very active community where users may interact. And I salute everybody in this room, but I also want to salute the Ariva community, because they ask me this on our social media networks, and it's a big community, and it's becoming bigger and bigger. So, wherever you are, my dear friends of Ariva community, I want to salute you, and we are so happy that we are together in connecting this world, connecting all the destinations, and connecting everything that is related to tourism and travel. But what is so important about this community? The fact that each user may receive incentives proportionate to their efforts. So, you are not only a member, a valuable member of Ariva community, but you are also obtaining incentives for being there, being present and active. And I think we are living in a world where we are talking about money. Always we are talking about money. And of course, tourism industry is based on making money. It's based on making money to circulate. But what is so important for this? What is doing Ariva for this money world? It eliminates the expensive cost of international high-volume money transfers and the SWIFT transaction complexity in the tourism travel. So, more specific, no need of details information for SWIFT transaction. You know, when you are making a payment, a transfer, you have this kind of SWIFT transaction, and you have to offer a lot of information regarding this payment. You are losing time, energy, and sometimes even privacy of your payments and transfers. Also, yes, we change from cash to cards, but what's happening now by using our cards? We are making a lot of payments regarding the commissions, the card commissions. We are making a lot of payments fee using our cards. And also, sometimes when we are going in another country, we have to exchange our money from our currency, let's say from euro, dollar, or another currency, in the currency of the country that we are traveling. It will be no more necessary this, because at this moment we'll have only one cryptocurrency that will help us to make all this payment. So no SWIFT transaction, no information about our transaction, no payment of credit card fees, and no payment of fees for our exchange of money. So another thing that is very important is that we'll have no transaction limit restriction, because many times the banks are putting this kind of limits of our transaction. So we are really free to have a real experience just using this portal and just using our cryptocurrency, Ariva cryptocurrency. Where you can find more information about Ariva. Of course, in our site, Ariva Digital, but also using the portal, Ariva World, also using the portal for Ariva Finance, for having your money, your Ariva coins, and also I want to invite you to visit Ariva Wonderland, because this is the future. We are living in the real universe, but also in the metaverse. So I'll invite you to have the magic experience of Ariva Wonderland metaverse. I can tell you that you have and will always enjoy the real traveling experience, but using Ariva Wonderland, you can enjoy in an amazing way the metaverse experience of traveling. We are also all over social media networks. So you can find daily information, updated information about what's happening with Ariva on these networks. So we are all over, and we are answering to your question. We are offering updated information. So join us here. So now you can see how is looking the Ariva portal. So you see, here you have all you want for your travel experience. To book your dream holiday, all the services, all the product from the travel industry, you choose your product, you are booking the product, and in the end you are paying the product and the services using the Ariva coins. And this is our app, where you can buy the service. For example, now, if you can see, we are making a reservation, a flight ticket reservation. So we choose our flight. Now we are choosing the data of our flight, just like in a simple, normal reservation. But wait, because this is not a simple, normal reservation. So you are choosing to pay your flight ticket using Ariva coins. Simple like that. The site, Ariva Finance, will exchange your money in Ariva coins, so you can pay directly with Ariva coins. What are you doing when you have to make this kind of payment with a normal card? You are making the booking and going to your wallet to take the card and to put all the information of your card in the system. And sometimes, if you are just making one single mistake, you are changing a number, the number of your card, or something, you have to return to the beginning. No need anymore, because with this application, you have your wallet, your Ariva wallet, and the site of Ariva Finance that will support you to exchange your money in Ariva coins and directly make the payment for your travel services. is going a little bit slower because I want for you really to see this experience of making a booking using Ariva portal. So it's really a video of making this. So now you already created your booking. So, I made you a presentation of a project that I strongly believe in, because this represents the future. And it's our duty here in this room, because here in this room we have all the important people in the world that are supporting the tourism industry. And it's our duty to make together great tourism industry. It's our duty to make the best partnership with the best new technologies to shape the future of tourism. And now we are already in the blockchain era, so we have to integrate the tourism industry with the blockchain world. And we can do this together. So I invite you to have this amazing travel experience using the next generation blockchain technology. And I invite you all to just be a part of the Ariva world, because we'll change together the future of tourism industry, and we'll make together the most successful story, not only of Ariva, but of the tourism industry all over the world. Thank you so much.